Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious salsa de arbol. In case you just want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious salsa, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 10 tomatillos, 1 roma tomato, a half of a white onion, 5 green chile de arbol, 5 red chile de arbol, 2 garlic cloves, a small bunch of cilantro, and 2.5 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by placing our tomatillos into a pot with water. We're going to set it on medium-high heat and we're just going to wait for them to come to a boil. Alright guys, so while we wait for our tomatillos to come to a boil, we're going to begin to roast our onion and just break it apart. Our chile de arbol, and our garlic cloves. We're also going to roast our red chile de arbol, but once this is all done, because they do toast fast and you don't want to burn them. Alright guys, so after a few minutes and our onions have softened, we're going to transfer them to our blender cup along with our garlic cloves and the chiles. So that right now the chiles should look like that. So remove the stem. I could have done that before. So I'm just going to turn it off. And with the same heat, we're going to toast our chile de arbol, the red ones. So just make sure that you move them around and you don't let them burn, because otherwise your sauce is going to be bitter. So you see, they cook pretty fast. Okay, so after a few seconds, place them in your blender cup as well. Alright, so now we're just going to wait for our tomatillos and our tomato to come to a boil, and then after that we can start our salsa. Alright, so as soon as our tomatillos come to a boil, we're going to turn it off, remove them from the stove, and drain the water. Alright, so drain the water. Now place your tomatillos and tomato into your blender. Alright, so now we're going to add our chicken bouillon. Now we're going to pulse our salsa for about 5 to 6 times. Alright, so after we pulse it a couple times, our salsa is ready. Alright, so now we're going to chop our cilantro and our other half of onion. You could chop it or you could also throw it in with your blender. I personally like to do this better. Okay, so once you have that, we can chop our onion. Alright, so once we have our onion and cilantro chopped, we are ready to transfer it with our salsa. Alright, so now we're just going to transfer out our salsa. And we're going to throw in our cilantro and onion. So now just mix it. And you want to try it for salt and see if it needs anything. So now we have our delicious salsa that's perfect with any of your favorite dishes. Now if you want to use it more for tacos, you can add avocado. And let me tell you, this will be the only salsa that you need. So we're going to grab our pieces of avocado and throw it in here. And like I said, this is perfect for your tacos, quesadillas, tostadas, you name it. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. And I'm just going to have it with the quesadilla. Seriously, super delicious. And it's nice, it's not spicy at all. So if you want to have a spicy salsa, make sure that you add more chile de arbol. To me, this is perfect. My kids enjoy it. And it's very delicious. You can even have it with chips. Like I said, this is the only salsa you will ever need for the caldos, tacos, quesadillas, anything and everything. So delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make a delicious salsa de arbol. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Oh yeah.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres